Rafin, why is it called Catherine Falls? Come on. Mudumalai. This is Tamil Nadu version of wildlife safari. We do it in Karnataka and Bandipur forest, in Tamil Nadu in Mudumalai forest. We'll go this way. I went this way now, I will go this way now. Mom, ingogana. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರು ಅದು ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ತೋಟ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಟೌನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ತೋಟ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ರೋಡ್ ಆದರೆ. ಇದು ದೂರ 30 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So we are back on this ancient bridge. What's going on here? Peacock. A beautiful peacock. Tea, break. Here we ascend. The climb begins. Hairpin bend number 36 of 36. Oh, the minute we just came out of that turn, it's like the weather just flipped over, you know. There was some warm breeze down, like chilled breeze now. Again, as we enter, the Queen of Hills welcomes you, Udagamandalam Municipality. There's a small drizzle. It's nice. Zostel Ooty. Here I come. Hi Zen. Hey!
Intercom
Hey.
failed. Try again later.
What's up, bro? How are you? How was Ooty been for you? What's up, man? All good? We reached Zostel Ooty, checked in, met my friend there. So we're heading to have some food initially, and then we're going towards Kothagiri. So I asked him to show us around Kothagiri. So he said okay, and I'm following him now. So now Yatish and Santosh are in front of me. We've reached Kothagiri, but I have no clue where we're headed. I think there's some famous viewpoint here. Travancore Palace, private road, no visitors entry. Oh, it is going back to town road only. Hey, we are in some unknown road. I have no idea where we are. We are wandering, we are exploring, adventure trials. This is worth the off-roading, worth the distance. Now we're like going under the clouds from above. Holda, starting. If I leave like this, I can't do anything. Hey, hello people. Hey, what falls is this, Ra? Tell me the name. Thank you. Catherine Falls. We're walking towards Catherine Falls. Walking through the tea estate to reach the waterfall. I have no clue. Hey, Rafin, why is it called Catherine Falls? That's it, why. Yay! And we made it to the waterfall. Look at him. He's all Josh. Do not litter around this place, else you will be prosecuted. Who is going to prosecute me? Please show me your face. I would like to see.
There's not even a single camera. And then there's a camera over there.
I have the camera. See, I have the camera, but there's no camera anywhere around here. I am supposed to be the one who's prosecuting everybody here. Okay, now I can feel the chills inside. see the cave behind us? That's the cave. So we're going forward. So here we are at Catherine Falls is what they call this place. The falls is right behind me, that's what you see. We came like 20 minutes ago, we had to trek down to this place. But yeah, it was worth it. Nobody here. Yatish is sitting there, Nafeen is on the other side, Santosh is on top. So we decided to make our way up the waterfall.
Chalo!
Let's go! Heading back towards the bike now. It's time to head back to Ooty. Had a real nice time at Catherine Falls. Wow, look at that view. Yeah, we couldn't see that hilltop only. Now we can see the bottom also. Got some shopping to do in Ooty. Like that. Ah, what a nice house. Not like Hobbit's house. Araven. Look at the difference. You have to open Google Maps to that roll shop now. I don't know where this road goes to also. Open the map. Mami, namaga yellow da gotilve. Where is Ooty? I have to go this way only. So we came to this place, the Tandoor Hut. Recommended by Zain from Zostel. So he said if you're going to Kothagiri, you have to have a roll here. The mutton roll is a speciality here, is what they say. So what is the mutton roll? We'll see how it is. Hey mom.
What's up, bro?
Rolling is
Roll
Get
in the
that
bandha.
chicken.
We are waiting for the chicken rolls.
This is the menu, the Tandoor Hut.
Mutton roll yaar ninde tane.
3 more ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಸ್ಕೊ. There it is. Chicken with chutney with green chili. What do you think about the food?
Delicious. Very nice.
You?
Very nice.
I haven't had, so I can't comment on it. So since it's 2 on 2, I'll make sure I go with it.
How's your mutton roll?
It's type of that kati roll that we have, that Kolkata style roll. With mutton sheik, onion, pudina chutney. I don't want the chili.
Is this really spicy? It's not that spicy, it's hot, I guess.
Hot.
The chicken was so juicy.
Damn, yeah.
Boneless, I guess.
Yeah, boneless.
I would suggest the chicken better than the roll.
Ah, bro.
Nah, I'm done. I'll take the roll.
Where's your roll didn't come?
Not yet. Chicken roll is not yet ready.
What do you think about the chicken?
Damn juicy. So juicy.
Come on.
He's trying.
Same experience, no? Your eyes are watering, right?
Wow, that's first time having the chicken like this. I don't eat juicy chicken. I want that
Dry.
experience.
Tandoori style. You need to have the chicken and tell me how the chicken tastes.
Oh, for you guys it's like a chili chicken type of thing. Nice.
How was your chicken roll?
Chicken roll with egg is good.
Yeah. Perfect balance.
Chicken was better.
Yummy. Perfect balance.
I don't think nothing to beat this chicken then. Good recommendation. I would recommend this to anybody who comes to Kothagiri. What's the name of the chicken dish? Pahadi kebab.
Hari mirch.
Hari mirch. Yeah.